Hello dear students, you are viewing my physics channel, Physics R&T. I am Ramesh Narayan Tripathi. We are going to solve some more multiple choice questions from X-rays in video number 2. First question is, a metal block is exposed to beam of X-rays of different wavelengths. X-rays of which wavelength would penetrate the block most? As we know, penetration is inversely proportional to wavelength, so the least wavelength will penetrate more. So the least wavelength is 2 angstrom, it will penetrate most, and option B is the correct one. Second question, the energy of electromagnetic waves is of the order of 15 kilo electron volt. To which part of spectrum does it belong? As we know, the energy of X-rays ranges from 100 electron volt to 100 kilo electron volt. So, 15 kilo electron volt lies in the range of X-rays energy, hence the correct option will be B. Third question, in radiotherapy, X-rays are used to, these are the options. As we know, in radiotherapy, X-rays are used to treat cancer by controlled exposure. Therefore, the correct option will be D. Next, question number 4. Hydrogen atom does not emit X-rays because these are the options. In case of hydrogen atoms, the energy levels are very close to each other. Therefore, hydrogen does not emit X-rays. So, the option B will be correct. Its energy levels are very close to each other. Next, question number 5. The question is, characteristic X-rays are produced due to. These are the options. As we know, the characteristic X-rays are produced due to the transition of electrons from higher to lower energy orbits of atom. Therefore, option B will be the correct one. Next, question number 6. The question is, according to Moseley's law, the frequency nu of a particular characteristic X-ray and the atomic number Z of the element depend on each other. These are the options. Now, from Moseley's law, we know that frequency is directly proportional to Z square. Therefore, root of frequency will be equal to constant of proportionality times Z. So, the correct option will be B. Next, question number 7. The question is, two elements A and B with atomic numbers Za and Zb are used to produce characteristic X-rays with frequencies nu A and nu B respectively. If Za is to Zb is 1:2, then nu B is to nu A will be. Solution to question 7. We know nu is directly proportional to Z square. Therefore, nu A upon nu B will be equal to Z A upon Z B whole square, which is 1 upon 2, because ZA is 2, ZB is 1:2. So, it is 1 upon 2 whole square, which gives nu A upon nu B as 1:4. So, the correct option will be B. Next, question number 8. The question is, X-rays are produced by operating electrons by voltage B, and these electrons strike the target metal of atomic number Z. The highest frequency of the produced X-rays is proportional to. Solution to question 8. From Moseley's law, nu is directly, frequency nu is directly proportional to Z minus B, where B is screening constant for K alpha line, B is equal to 1. Therefore, when B is minimum, then nu will be maximum. Therefore, nu maximum will be proportional to Z minus 1 whole square. So, the highest frequency or maximum frequency will be proportional to Z minus 1 whole square. So, correct option is A. Next question number 9. The question is, if the operating potential of an X-ray tube is 50 kilovolt, then the velocity of X-rays coming out of it will be. These are the options. Now, as we know, X-rays are electromagnetic waves which move with velocity of light. Therefore, D will be the correct option, independent of the operating potential. Next question number 10. Question is, arrange the following electromagnetic radiations per quantum in order of increasing energy. These are blue light, radio wave, yellow light and X-rays. Now, we know in visible spectrum, Bib, Gyor, this is visible spectrum, lowest wavelength in increasing order is this one, and radio wave energy will be equal to H nu, which is H C upon lambda. So, energy of the order of number 1 radio wave, number 2 yellow light, number 3 blue light and number 4 X-rays. So, increasing order energy, the correct option will be radio, yellow, blue and X-rays. Radio, yellow, blue and X-rays. So, correct option will be B. Now, let us take some more helping tips for the quick solution of some multiple choice questions on X-rays. First, X-rays cannot be diffracted by ordinary grating because of short wavelength of X-rays. Next, the essential distinction between X-rays and gamma rays is that gamma rays are emitted from the nucleus, whereas X-rays are emitted from the outer part of nucleus. Next, the nature of X-ray spectrum is continuous and line spectrum both. Next, for an X-ray tube operating at a given accelerating voltage, the wavelengths of X-rays lie between lambda minimum to infinity, where lambda minimum may be 0. Next, X-ray diffraction supports wave nature of X-rays. Next, intensity of X-rays depends on the number of accelerated electrons striking the anode per second and is independent of the accelerating voltage.